Good morning to all. How are you? Yes. You know me, right? Yes, I'm Asha ma'am. Going to take EVS subject. Okay. All you know about EVS, that is environmental studies. Okay. So we'll start the lesson. Okay. Full Josh and energy. Then show me one thumbs up. Yes. Okay. Uh, See students, that plant world, once you open the textbook, once you check it, this is the chapter 5, okay, plant world. This is the chapter 5. So this is the chapter 5, that what is that? Plant world. Okay, in the plant world, what we are going to discuss? What we will study? We are going to study about plant. Yes or no? Yes. How is the plants are living, and how many years it will live, and what are the types of leaf, and what are the uses? Anything uses? Anything uses from plants? Yes, so much. Yes or no? Yes. So we are going to discuss about that. Okay, before that, one time I will go to take revision in the previous class. Okay, I hope all you understood about meaning of plants. Yes, the meaning of plant it is, we can see in the nature. So many trees are there, so many plants are there. Some trees are big and some trees are very small. And it is the some of the weak, some of the plants are very strong. That we already discussed. Okay. Then one more thing, I gave you activity in the previous class. Yes or no? I gave, right? You did? You completed that work? I hope all you completed. So, okay, very good. So when school will reopen, that time I need all the answers. Can you do? Yes. And one more thing, again and again, I'm telling you, you have to maintain notebook as a proper way. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then last class we discussed the types of plants. What are the types of plants? What are the types of plants? Yes. One it is trees. Trees. Yes. One it is shrubs and herbs and climbers. There are 4 types of plants. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. About that, no doubts, right? Anything doubts from that? No. All clear. Okay. Then we'll move for next step, that it is parts of plants. What are the parts in the plant? See, one of the example. In the laptop, we are doing in the this one, Zoom, right? Yes or no? In the laptop, we had some of the parts. See, motherboard are there, or the CPU are there, speakers are there, right? Yeah, like that only we have in the plant some of the parts. Okay, we can go for discuss. Yes, ready? Okay, then can we discuss about that? Yes, okay. So we will discuss about the parts of plants. Okay? Yes. And one more thing, in the last class, I gave some of the activities, and the end of the class, I told you I will give you one more activities. Okay. This activity is very interesting. Are you ready to do? Yes. Okay. Full energy, right? Okay. Then we'll go for activity that is you have to do at home. Okay. What is the first step? You have to go. You you should you should go for garden. Okay. You should go for garden, and you should take some elders. Okay. You should take some elders and you have to go for garden. Okay. Once you will reach the garden, what you should do? What you should do? Yes, you should do some of the observation. Which all are the plants are there? You have to observe. Okay, can you? Yes. Okay. After observation, what you should do? You should find out which all are the plants. Okay. One example. One of the rose plant is there. Okay. You have to observe. This plant is rose. Okay. It is which part? Which part of the which type of the plant? Is this trees? No. Is this shrubs? Is this shrubs? Yes. Is this shrubs? Then you have to write this is the shrub. Okay. And one more that you will see some coriander leaves, coriander plant. Okay. Then you have to write, yeah, this is coriander plant. Okay, I got it. And which part, which type of plant? Which type of plant? Which type? That is herbs. Okay, you have to write herbs. And sometimes you will get some of the doubts. You are small, na? So you will get some of the doubts. I will be not there. Okay, so you what you did in the beginning? You took some elder like your mom or your dad or your elder brother or elder sister, anyone elder than you. So what you should do now? You should ask with him or your mom. Mom, what it is? Tell me. That time she will explain you what is that. See, this is the neem tree. Yeah, then you have to write, this is the neem. Okay, that is the process of the activity. Can you do this? Yes, I hope all you do, and when school will reopen, all you will do and you will come with full happy. Okay, then we'll go for next step, that is the part of the plants. Okay. See here the example, like how you will do the activity. See, type of plant and name of the plants. Okay, you have to write which type, that one, and name of the plant. For example, you can see the tree like mango tree or something coconut tree or gulmohar tree, anything you can see there. You have to write that name and you have to write which type of the plant. Okay, yes. Okay, then I already gave the answers, right? Okay, then we'll go for next step. What is that? That is the part of plants. Okay, can you see this? Yes, that is the parts of the plant. Okay, have you ever seen a plant? Yes, you saw. So many plants are there. Once you come out the home, you can see how many plants. Yes or no? Yeah. How does it look? It is looks like how? Greeny and it will give very cool air for us. Yes or no? It will give oxygen for us. Yes. What all are the parts are there? If you have any idea of that, any part of the plants. Yes, root are there. Yeah, that is the part. Okay. And one more. Any idea? Any idea? Flower. Yes, very good. And any idea? Okay. Let us see these different parts of plants are there. Different parts of the plants are there, and some of the functions are there, like how it will work, how it is using. Okay, that functions, that also there, that I will going to say. Okay, yes. A plant has many parts Each part of the plant performs specific work and different parts work together. See, different part will work together, but that is each and every part has their own work. What is that? We'll see. See, in our body, the hand is the one of the part. Yes or no? So hand, what hand will do? We can eat from the hand. Yes. Yes. We can write from the hand. Yes or no? Yeah. So like that only, the plants part also will do different works together. Okay. We'll see that one. See, mouth is one of my part. See, both are doing together work. Yes or no? Yes. That we are going to discuss. Ready? Yes. Okay, now I will show you one picture. You have to tell the answers. You have to share the answers. Okay. Yes. See, observe this picture. Any idea? Yes. What is this? This part? Think and tell. If it is wrong, no problem. You can share. Yes. This is the fruit. Okay. This is the fruit. I will give you the 2 minutes time. You have to think and tell. Yes. Yes, this is the leaf. Okay. What is this? Yes, this is the flower. Okay. See, this is the fruit. This is the fruit. Okay. This is the leaf. Okay. This is the flower. Okay. This is the root. Okay. These are the parts of the plants. Okay. These all are the part of the plants. Okay. See here. Okay. Then we'll go for next. Yes. See. Activity 1, I already gave the answers because you are too smart. Yes or no? You are too smart, because of that you only answered. Yes. Okay. That first part, it is fruit and leaf and stem, flower and root. Okay. See, once again I will show you. If you have any doubts, I will show you once again. Yes. See here. See here, this is the fruit, and this is the leaf, and this is the flower, and this is the stem, and this is the root. Any doubts? Any doubts from this picture? No doubts. Okay. Then we'll go for next. I explain you what are the functions of fruit, and what are the functions of leaf, and what are the functions of roots. Okay. Yes. Yes. Then we'll discuss. Yes. First we can go for root. Okay. Part of the root. Root part we can going for discuss. What is the functions of fruit, and what is the root, and what any types in the root. Can you ready? Yes. Okay. Okay. See here, root system. The part of the plant which is underground is called root. There is some vegetables like carrot, some that ginger, that kind of vegetables we can get from the root, right? Yes. So see that only the part of the which is uh, underground. See, can you see this picture? And underground, this is the root. Okay, there is the root. Where that the underground of the plant is called as a root. Okay, root have fine hair called root hair on them. Okay, roots have fine hair like that. Hair will come like that is called root hair on them. Okay, roots are mainly of two types. See here, students, root has a divided into two types. Okay, again the root system, like root is there, na? That is divided into two types. That is, one it is tap roots and second one it is fibrous roots. Okay, fibrous roots. Okay, one it is tap root and one more it is fibrous root. Okay, then next point it is roots are the important underground part of the plant. Okay, roots are the important underground parts of the plant. They constantly provide the stem and leaves with water and nutrients that they absorb from the soil. See students, this is the point you have to remember. The root will is there, na root, the part of root, it will take main part. Okay, why? Because it is only one part is supplying or surviving food for the plant. Okay, that is water or the soil, some of the nutrients, some of the nutrients comes from the soil. Okay, then water, that is provides or that is survives from the root. Okay, that is surviving food for the plant. Okay, what is the plant food? That is the water and nutrient soil. Okay, then sunlight is as well as, and so that nutrient food like nutrients soil and water is, this is supplying from the root. Okay. Okay, there are two types of uh, okay, there are two types of roots as follows, that already I discussed you, that is the tap root and second one it is fibrous root. One it is tap root and second one it is fibrous root. Okay, so the root system is clear. Root is the underground of the plant. It is the underground of the plant. It is called root. There are two types. That is, one it is tap root and second one it is fibrous root. Okay. And what is the duty? What is the duty of root? This is the surviving food for the plant. Water and nutrients to the plants. Okay. Any doubts from this? No doubts. Then can we go for next? Yes. Okay. Okay. Can you will watch one video? Happy? Yes. Then I will show you one video. I will show you one video. Okay, students, one more thing. I will show you the video in the next class. Next class, because some of the technical problem in this app. Okay, so now only I will start the class. Once I will stop this. Now only I will start again.